Wow, that needs a lot of work. That might need a new fender. Hi-ho, Keegan the Vlog here. Welcome to episode 8 of TR3 Wrench Time. Today we're getting into body panels. So we're gonna get the rest of the body panels stripped of all their hardware, logos, latches, that sort of thing. Get them to Chesapeake Blasting Services, get them soda clean, get them back up to the shop, and then we can have an idea of what it is we're gonna be dealing with for restoration of the body panels. We know a couple things. We know the nose has got quite a bit of Bondo in it. We know that it's banged up in a couple places. Looked at replacing the nose section. Unavailable from Moss as a new section, and frankly the ones that I was looking at on eBay and other used sources didn't look like they were in any better shape than the one we've got. So fingers crossed, let's see what we get back. We do know that front fender has got the big rust spot at the bottom. We got a patch for that, so hopefully that's going to take care of that, and then we'll see with the rest. All right, so let's get up there and get working. We are in a race against the weather. We're heading down to Chesapeake Blasting Services to pick up the body panels that we had soda clean. They're ready, and clouds are rolling in, and it's gonna rain all night. Looks like it's not gonna get to these parts until around 2 o'clock. It is now 10:47. Should have plenty of time to get down there and get the body panels back up to the shop before it rains. We've got some plastic here just in case we have to wrap it up. Might do that anyway just to play it safe. So let's go get ourselves some body panels.
How you been?
I've been well. How are you guys?
Good. Good.
Oh yeah.
I got screwed out of jobs for you.
Oh, look at that.
You had a lot of work.
Oh my goodness. Wow, this was on the nose, wasn't it?
Mike.
Yeah.
Those pieces. It was.
Wow, that needs a lot of work.
We'll love.
That might need that might need a new fender.
There.
I've got a patch piece for this fender. I knew that was going to be an issue. I'm going to lay some plastic down in the bed just because I don't know if I'm going to beat the rain. All right, we got ourselves some body panels back, and you saw when we picked them up, there is a significant amount of work to do on some of these. We'll get it back to the shop and take a closer look. Now we are in a race with the rain. We do have the outside stuff wrapped up in plastic just in case we don't make it. We gotta get going. All right, so far so good. Just a bit of sprinkles going on here, and we are almost back to the shop, so I'm gonna call that a success. Okay, as you can see, we've got quite a bit of work to do on some of these body panels. This one is definitely the worst. I'm not really sure how to fix this. This was smoothed out with Bondo, and it looked good, passable. I don't really want to do that though if I can avoid it. I mean, that is obviously a last resort. So we will look at what it would take, I don't know, to use an English wheel or something to smooth this out. I've started looking for alternatives on the internet, so we can special order a new one from Moss. There's a couple on eBay right now, about $150, that is in a lot better shape than this one. Not perfect, obviously, but to get something like that from where it is now to ready to go back on a restored car would be much easier than trying to fix this one. Along this edge here, you can see where whenever they did this work, they had to move where the cage nuts were bolted into. So they made holes that are not in the factory position. So they have moved where the cage nuts are on this flange. So we can clean this up a lot easier than we can clean this up. There's some other pieces on here, other parts of it, that just aren't in the best of shape. This is cracked. It's just bent in a lot of places. This nose got banged up. The problem with trying to find a replacement nose is the ones that I'm seeing on eBay are not in any better shape or much better shape than this one is. So I mean, we can spend $1,000 or $1,500 on another nose and not really be any further along than we are with this one. This just might be a little too far gone to deal with. So look for us to find an alternative body panel here. This might be the only body panel that we actually replace on this car. I think we can save the rest of them. That's going to do it for this episode of TR3 Wrench Time. Next episode, we are going to Greg's shop, and we are going to fabricate some parts to get the inside of this done and the floors and the sills back in. So then this car becomes movable again, and then we can kind of do some stuff like put it on its side if we need to, and things like that. So we should be moving forward towards getting the inside of the car finished, and then go from there. So thanks for watching. If you're enjoying the content, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time on TR3 Wrench Time.